Hola amigos y amigas de YouTube, soy Andrea y vamos a practicar español. El tema de hoy son los pronombres de objeto indirecto, Indirect Object Pronouns. Otra vez voy a compartir mi pantalla. I'm going to share my screen porque tengo una presentación para explicar todo. I have a little presentation to explain things. Here we go. Indirect Object Pronouns. We know that a pronoun replaces a noun. And pronouns can be subject pronouns or object pronouns. If they're the object pronoun, they can be either the direct object or the indirect object. We looked at the direct object last time, and this time we're looking at the indirect object. So indirect objects answer the question, to whom or for whom? To whom or for whom after the verb. So for example, I, that's the subject, give, that's the verb. I give what? The gift, that's the direct object. To whom? To Anna. Anna is our indirect object. She's indirectly receiving the action of the verb. And I can replace Anna with a pronoun, her. Okay, so in this sentence, I, subject pronoun, give, verb, the gift, direct object. To whom? To her. That's our indirect object pronoun. I make what? I make dinner, direct object. For whom? For Leo. That's our indirect object. And I can replace Leo with the pronoun him. That would be our indirect object pronoun. So in Spanish, the indirect object pronouns are me, te, le, nos, os, les. If you remember your direct object pronouns, they're pretty similar. Me and te is the same, nos and os is the same. The only difference is instead of lo and la, we have le. And instead of los and las, we have les. So me refers to a mí, te, a ti, le, a él or a ella. Le can also refer to a usted. Nos refers to us, a nosotros, a nosotras. Os refers to a vosotros or a vosotras. And les refers to either a ellos, a ellas, or a ustedes. So here are some examples. Whoops, let's go back. Previous. He gives the gift to me. So I'm going to conjugate the verb for the subject. The subject is he, gives. This comes from the verb dar, to give. The forms are doy, das, da, damos, dais, dan. So third person singular is él da, he gives. The gift, el regalo, to me, a mí. But we're going to replace a mí with me. And it's going to come before the conjugated verb. So the word order is different for pronouns. And it's similar or the same as it was with the direct object pronouns. It comes before the conjugated verb. So if you're going to translate this word by word, it would be he to me gives the gift. Él me da el regalo. And we can put a mí in there for emphasis, but most of the time we're going to leave it out because it's redundant. It means the same thing as me. A mí is optional, me is mandatory. She gives the gift to you. Ella te da el regalo a ti. You can leave out a ti and just say, ella te da el regalo. We give the gift to him. The subject is nosotros. We can leave it out because damos always goes with nosotros. Le damos el regalo a él. Now, in this case, le needs to be clarified because remember, le can refer to a él, a ella, or a usted. And in this case, it refers to a él. So if we don't have any prior context, if we're not reading an entire paragraph and we don't have any kind of clue as to what le refers to, then we need to clarify it with a él. Le damos el regalo a él. I give the gift to you. You can leave out the yo because doy always goes with yo. Le doy el regalo a usted. Once again, a usted is clarifying to whom le refers. Ellos nos dan el regalo a nosotros. They give the gift to us. Él os da el regalo a vosotros. He gives the gift to you, informal plural. And again, it's in parentheses, you can leave it out. The os refers to a vosotros. You could put it in there for emphasis, but it's kind of redundant. You don't really need it. The os is mandatory. The a vosotros does not need to be there. It's optional. Yo les doy el regalo a ellos. In this case, les refers to a ellos. And since les can refer to a ellas or a ustedes, we need to clarify which we're talking about. Ella les da el regalo a ustedes. Once again, we've clarified what les means. In this case, it's a ustedes, the you formal plural. Now, there are some different word orders possible. If you want to put in the clarifying prepositional phrase with lay and lace, you can either put it at the end or you can put it at the beginning. So, les doy el regalo a mis amigos. I give the gift to my friends. Les refers to a mis amigos. And if there's no prior context, we need to clarify what les means with a mis amigos. But we could have put that first. A mis amigos les doy el regalo. Either way sounds good. Now, if you're going to make it negative, the no does not come between the pronoun and the verb. So it's no, then the pronoun, then the verb. No les doy el regalo a mis amigos, or a mis amigos, no les doy el regalo. So that was short and sweet, but it's an important topic. Last time we did the direct object pronouns. This time we did the indirect object pronouns. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to put the indirect and the direct object pronouns together. And then we're going to talk about the gustar verbs, which use indirect pronouns. So don't give up. I know it's a lot of pronouns, but they're really essential to being able to speak Spanish. And remember, if you do just 10 minutes a day, you're going to progress faster than if you only look at it for a couple hours once a week. So I hope to see you next time. Gracias por tu atención. Hasta luego.